everyone, Brittany with Successful Solutions. So we're going to go over some Easter signs. So the first one we're going to do is Easter, and there's a couple different ways to do this. So you'll make E's, and then you can do it as if you're cracking an egg. So you have the E's, or you can do E open or towards you and away from you. The next one we're going to do is egg. So you're going to have your hands like this, fingers out, and then as if you're cracking an egg. So egg. And then bunny. And this one, there's also two ways to do it. So you can same two fingers like this and bounce them back up and down. Or you can do one up here like this. This way is horse, this way is horse. This way is bunny. All right, the next one we're gonna do is basket. So you'll have C hands and just up. So basket. So if you were saying Easter basket, you could do Easter basket. And then the last one we're gonna do is candy. So you just have your finger and like right in your dimple and just twist it. All right, let me know if you have any questions.